In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Airtable so you can collect data directly from people and have those responses automatically organized inside your base. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading over to Airtable's website. If you're not already logged in, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in your workspace, open the base where you want to collect data. This can be an existing base that already has some tables, or a brand new one. Either works perfectly. At the top of the screen, you'll see a row of tabs. Click on the one labeled Forms. This will take you to the Forms interface, where you can see any existing forms or start a new one. Go ahead and click the button that says Build It Yourself. Airtable gives you full control here, so you're not locked into a template. You'll then be asked to select the table where you want the data to land. Choose the table that will store all the information people submit through your form. Give your form a clear descriptive name. This helps you stay organized, especially if you end up with multiple forms later. Then click the Create Form button. Now you'll see your blank form. This is where you add the fields or questions that you want respondents to fill out. You can drag in any field from your table, like name, email, date, or a drop-down choice. Each field you add becomes a question on the form. You can also rearrange them, mark some as required, and add helpful placeholder text. This step is where you shape exactly what kind of data you collect. Once you've added all the fields you need, look to the upper right corner and click the Publish button. After you publish, Airtable generates a shareable link that you can send to anyone. Every time someone fills out the form, their responses appear automatically as new records in your selected table. No manual entry required. And that's it. You've just created a form in Airtable and set up a streamlined way to capture data directly into your base. Thanks for watching, and happy building.